Woman is paying for something at a cash register. This is a classic time to attack someone because their bandwidth is taken up while doing whatever it is they're doing. She's got, wait for it, what's that? An exposed weapon. She is carrying a gun in an exposed format, and it's about to get real. Boom. My man grabs that gun, overpowers her, takes her to the ground, and walks away. Boom! What's up, guys? Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. What can we learn from this video when it comes to exposed carrying a weapon and females carrying a weapon? But still, there's a lot here for men. My mission is to make the world a safer place by helping good people become more willing, capable, prepared, and yes, more dangerous, right? So when we look at this scenario here, we've got a dude. When you're carrying in an exposed format, the reason I don't like it and didn't really know people still thought it was a good idea is because you are giving everyone in your environment notification, and they're going to have the element of surprise. She's here. No one, not even the best of us, possess enough awareness to always know who's around us at all times and what their intentions are. You just don't know people's intentions. The best you can do is try and read their social cues and body language, but tactical positioning, all these things. But as your best efforts, you're never gonna be able to be 100% aware. People get attacked from behind at cash registers because all your bandwidth is going into paying, pushing all the stupid little buttons, taking your thing out of your wallet, out of your thing, right? So people, this has happened. I have made another video on the same exact instant. I see these videos a lot where people go to the cash register, give their attention to what they're doing, and boom, the enemy strikes. So pay attention to that when you're in the cash register. And it's also dangerous because when we talk about tactical positioning, right? Context, tactical positioning, context. You're in a grocery store, at a gas station, you're in a transitional space. You should be paying closer attention. This is where attacks happen. This is where 80% of attacks happen. You see all the videos that I post in these environments, right? Now you're rolling up to a cash register. All your bandwidth is going to one place. The people behind you actually have an alibi for why they're behind you. It's the one time you can't be like, why are you behind me? It's like, well, they're in line. So it's really kind of a bad setup all in all, right? And then carrying a weapon exposed, let's be honest, is it easier to defend yourself, to defend something that's back here on your person that you can barely even get to? Or is it easier to defend yourself with something right here, right? Obviously, it's gonna be easier to defend yourself with things that are right here in center line of your body. So I personally say carry appendix. I definitely say never carry exposed unless you're also in a uniform. And even then, when you're in close crowds, maybe drop your arm over your sidearm and make sure there's control on that. Have some retention on your holster. Ladies, if you are carrying a firearm, I highly suggest and recommend you carry it on your body. I don't care how many times you watch Wonder Woman and Salt and all these new female action hero movies. You're not going to be as physically potent as the males who are in the environment with you. They have bone density on you. They have testosterone, way more torque on you than you're ever gonna have. Muscle density, it's just the way life is. So the sooner you get a grip on the reality of your situation in terms of physical potency, the more dangerous you'll be. You just have to fight different. That's all it is. You just have to fight different. So ladies, carry your weapon on your body as often as possible. Purse carrying it's better than having nothing, but it takes nothing for a guy to grab you by your purse and throw you on the floor and take your purse and your gun. Carry your weapon in a place that's easily defendable. Practice with that weapon. Don't give in to the false sense of security that people want, where they think because they have a weapon on them, they are safe. You might just be carrying that weapon for someone else who's bigger, stronger, faster, and has more training than you. A lot of people carry a gun for someone like me if I ever need it, right? This woman was carrying a gun for someone like this bad guy because he wanted it, and you don't want to end up in that scenario. It's really sad, and you got to put your hood on, because the shame of getting your weapon taken away and stolen from you, and the reality that it's probably going to be used in a crime. Don't let it happen. Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Share this video with the world. Subscribe. Go to my YouTube channel where I have over 100 videos like this for you guys to watch and improve your PQ, your protection quotient. And let's make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous out. Boom!